How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are cracking on with the Skyline tinkering again. I've decided I'm going to start with like I said in the last video, if you didn't watch it, we now have a 10am fitting welded onto the sump, and we banged it out. Like I said, on the sump obviously we need to clean it up so it matches the rest of the engine. It's going to look mint. This is all a bit crusty. I've already started it because I forgot to record because I'm a noob. But yeah, I'm just going to sand it all down with 400. Stick some VHT black and some heat resistant clear over the top of it, make it look brand new again. So
been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down. Why we always looking for more?
right, that's it all sanded down. I didn't go right back to bare metal, only some bits. I'll just use 100 grit and then went on to 400 grit. Now I'm gonna wang some, should I primer it or just put on straight paint? I might do a bit of primer and then some black paint. Gonna do a bit of grey primer. Okay, while that's drying, when I painted these the other day, well, Damien painted that one and I painted this one, and some reason the clear coat we used like reacted to the colour. It's gone like a snake skin. So rather than redo these again, it's like the third time we've painted them. I mean, they look good from here. You can't see that they're all bumpy, but they're annoying me, so I'm going to wet sand them, see what happens. We got some like 2,500, 1,000 grit sandpaper and stuff. So yeah, wet sand these, see if they come up flat. If they do, we're happy days. We saved them, we ain't got to do them again. Try not doing them again. So yeah, apparently it's 15 to 30 minutes for that primer to dry, so we'll leave it there and do these. Right, wet sanded it down a bit. This is 2,500 grit, and then just stuck another coat of clear on, and it's come out a bit better. That's gonna have to do. But while I'm talking about this actually, and this is still drying, I think what I'm gonna do, probably sounds like a bad idea when I say it like this, but in this shed obviously now we've got a little workstation. I'm going to stick an oven down here in the corner. What are you thinking? An oven in a wooden shed? Not a great idea. I'll put it on the slab, and obviously when I have it on, I'll always be out here, not just leave it on. But I'm going to start a bit of powder coating, a bit of DIY at home powder coating, because I've always wanted to do it. I watch people do it on YouTube all the time, and I want to have a go. So we're going to get ourselves a cheapy second-hand oven, bang it out, and then like wheels and stuff, we can get the tyres taken off of them, make sure that we'll get an oven big enough that fit a wheel in it. Obviously the Skyline wheels are 19 inches. Not that we're going to be doing the Skyline ones because they're brand new, but the Merc ones, I want to change the colour on the Merc wheels. Obviously all my friends and stuff, they'd all be interested in me powder coating their wheels, so we're going to get an oven, get a powder coating gun, and learn that. Another thing to learn. Obviously this is once we've built the engine and made the car work, the Skyline that is. But yeah, let me know in the comments whether that's a good idea. You think that's a good idea, or I'm being mental. And obviously we can like powder coat things like valve covers in the oven. We can like all the brackets, loads of little things we can get done in the oven and powder coated. Obviously big things like subframes and all that, you're still not able to do. I think wheels are about as big as it's going to get. So yeah, that's one of my ideas for this shed. Not just put a bench in there and wire wheel things. But yeah, get back to painting. Stick some clear coat over it, mate. Just for extra protection. Obviously heat proof clear coat. Good as new. We have also repaired our broken jack, which remember when we took the engine out, that thing snapped. So I went all the way to China land. That's what basically snapped. The top part where the bit goes focus. But yeah, that snapped off. Got another one from eBay, China. Fixed. Which is good because it ain't even mine. Right guys, that's it for this one. Only a short one because all we had to do was paint the sump and the valve covers, redo them again. But next video, we'll be collecting the engine and putting it in the car. I'm building it, obviously. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.